You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Yes, I know the spelling makes it confusing. The creation of female gamete, is that how you pronounce it? Can't remember. I'll link to a video on how to pronounce that at the end. Stay tuned to learn how to say it. Oogenesis. So it's not ooh. I know it looks like it should be said oogenesis. No. Oogenesis comes from ovogenesis, which is why it's pronounced oogenesis, not oogenesis. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.